ديال الصحه، التشغيل، الذكاء الاصطناعي، الحمايه الاجتماعيه، الانجازات ديال
لي زيماج نيمبورت كي ايماج تقدر تشوفها صعيبه باش تشوف حاجه تشوفها صعيبه كتاثر عليك في دماغك سي بيزار تقرا واش اللي مستعدين يديروا اي حاجه باش يجيبوا الفيوز كيبارطاجيو نيمبورت كو اصلا هما غير تفاعل هذاك الباس شوف سي البيزنس اللي كيبدا يطلع شوف داكشي كيبدا يطلع انترنت البيزنس شوف اوكي ماركت واش نسوبي عليك شي حاجه وي وداكشي اللي كيبيع في الصدق داكشي اللي غيحطوه في الصدق ما شغلوش هو تاثير مش تاثير اكثر مش اكثر.
So good morning now from the bus station in Marrakesh. This is the Supratours bus station, Supratours, and I bought already my ticket online, and next to it there's the Ibis Hotel, and I took the taxi with the InDrive app from this Hotel Tazi that is near the Medina, and that was on this app that was 40, and then but I gave him 50 because I was very quick here. And now it is, what time it is? It is 8:45, and in 15 minutes my bus will leave, and I will quickly have a coffee here and then go to Essaouira at the Atlantic Ocean by bus. When you buy such a small coffee, then you also get one water included. So that was 22 euro, then you have a small strong espresso and one water. And you can buy your tickets here, but I bought it online already and could choose my seat online. And I have the ticket on my phone. And if you have bags, you must pay extra, but I have only hand luggage. This is the bus. I sit next to you.
Oh, no, 6?
6, yeah, the window, no?
Oh, you're the window?
Yeah, I booked the window.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
I'm not the window? I did everywhere by train. It's really good that they have the trains.
Yes, they have a very good system now, no? Yeah.
ما غتبانش عندها جوج بلايص هي ولولير ما غتبانش ولاد خد جوج بلايصات هي ولولير
Something else to do, that's the thing.
Yes.
It's like addiction as well as habit. Like, you need something else.
Yeah.
Right. What area is this?
I have no idea. Oh, that's good. That's good. So this is the shop of the bus stop.
And in the sun.
شويه لا ما فهمت بالي لك اونارا اللي قلت لي اجي
That's the island of Mogador.
What?
Mogador, the island is Mogador. The name is Mogador.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. I googled that.
You Google it.
Yeah, yeah. What is this here? They're building something. It's like a boat.
This guy, he was taking pictures of me, like not just one, one, two, three, and then turned
This
it
old
on.
guy?
No, the young guy, the guy.
That's a guy.
He spoke something. But I've looked at the pictures, there's about, and by the end of it, I just look like I'm going to collapse my face. I couldn't even.
Yeah, so this was here the bus ride with the Supratours, and I spoke to this guy there for almost 3 hours from Manchester. And this is the bus stop here. There's a toilet also where you can pay 2 dirham. I have now to find a shop where I can print my boarding pass, because when you fly with Ryanair, when you're leaving Morocco, you need a printed boarding pass. That is very important. Otherwise you have to pay a lot at the airport. So I will go now to find a printing service. And this here is the Ozo nightclub, and the guys are offering the services. If you have luggage, then you can rent them, and then they bring your stuff to the hotel. But I have only hand luggage. It's 28 degrees now, it's fantastic. In Europe it's snowing now. Yeah, the Medina is here behind the walls, and before I'm printing my papers I will first go here to a restaurant, to the terrace. Yeah, this is an old city here. I will not talk too much here because it's very quiet. And before at this cafe at the beach there was no service. There was nobody. There was only one person and too many customers. So I walked now to the old town. Very nice. Oh, the church bells just rang, but I was too late here with the camera. And here on this main street there is an internet shop. I put a link in the description. He can print your boarding pass for 10 dirham if you give him the reservation number and your email address. And now I have to find a place to eat something. So that is my interesting starter here. I ordered a Coke, a coffee, and I got the olives, and I ordered the St. Peter's fish. This man has many bananas here. In the Dominican Republic, they're all carrying them on their head. So this is a fantastic looking fish here, St. Peter's fish. Bon appetit. Hola. Merci. Oh my god, the cup. Ice cream is too big for this small cup. Yeah, so I don't have much to say anymore at the moment. My trip is almost over. Here, that is a beautiful city of Essaouira, and I had a great lunch there, and then I have now to get a taxi there. There's no public airport bus to the airport, to the Mogador airport, and then find a taxi that costs around 15 euros and then go home, and then I will just film that a little bit, and that's it from here. And here's another big place that looks almost like in Lisbon in Portugal. Very nice. Very nice. Super. Aéroport Essaouira Mogador. Yeah, this is a great airport here. Not many people. That's why I had a flight in the morning from Marrakesh, but I bought another ticket from this airport here because here there's absolutely no stress. And now I still have 2 hours until takeoff. That's great. That airport looks also great. Yeah, here at this great airport I also have this room, and yeah, for those who need it, it's fine. And here's the small airport. It's a very nice airport here, I must say. I can only recommend to fly to here and then travel from here to Marrakesh if you want to go to Marrakesh and avoid this huge airport there. It's very easy. And the price is also okay. A coffee costs €2.30 and the cola and water also very affordable. So welcome back to Belgium. Now it's 9:30 and it's -2 degrees. Before it was 30. Nothing to declare. So here's the airport at night. Before, last time I was here in the morning, and now I have to drive back home to Germany, 2 hours. Leave a thumbs up for this fantastic video production here. Bye bye, thank you. And the streets are full of ice, and then they make salt here. They put salt on the streets. Woo!